Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Musa? I'm good, thank you. Okay, so today we are going to discuss solution of quadratic equation using completing the square. So let's do that. So as you remember, you made the arrow that the first step in solving the quadratic equation using completing the square is shift the c part to the other side. So let's shift the c to the other side. It would be v squared plus 6v and equals 59. Okay, now what was our second step?
Half b squared.
Half b, this b, which is 6 in this case, and then square it and add it to both sides, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what if today I'm going to give you another shortcut for completing the square, which is really easy and it's really interesting as well. Okay, so half the 6, what is 6? What is the half of the 6?
3.
3. And then there is this v, right?
Yeah.
And there is plus sign between them, so write down the plus sign and then whole square them, whole square it. So it would be then v plus 3 whole squared, and we completed the square. But there is just one step remaining. Okay, so now subtract the square of 3. What will be the square of 3?
9.
9. And this equals 59. So now tell me, the yesterday's method was easy or this one is easy?
This one's easy.
This one is really easy. Now just shift the 9 to the other side to make the bracket the subject. Okay, so it would be then v plus 3 whole squared equals, okay, so what is 59 plus 9? I'll write it down directly.
It'll be 68.
Exactly. Okay, now if you want to find the solution for v, so what do we need to do? To take a square root on both the sides, because v is inside the bracket and it has a square on it. So the only way that we can take out the v outside of the bracket is to take the square root. Okay, so here the square and square root cancel each other and we are left with v plus 3 and okay, now here we have the square root of 68, so it's a surd basically, and now you know what's a surd, so let's factorize it and then we will simplify this surd. So if I'm going to factorize 68, then it's 4 times 17. So 4 times 17 is 68, and I'll do it here as a rough work, that 4 times 17 and then under the root instead of 68. So apply the square root to both the numbers separately, individually like this, then it will be like square root of 4 times square root of 17. So square root of 17 is a decimal number and 17 is a prime number, so we can't simplify it further, and the square root of 4 is 2, so it will be then 2 into square root of 17. And now you see the square root of 68 is equal to 2 into square root of 17. It is now in its simplified form. Getting it?
Yep.
Okay, so plus minus 2 into under the root 17. Okay, now in order to find the value for v, we just have to shift the 3 to the other side, and 3 to the other side will be then, it will be then negative 3. So negative 3 plus minus, oops, I forgot the 2 into square root of 17. So now tell me, Musa, how many roots did we get here? 2. Exactly 2. See, one in positive, first 3 is in addition with this third, and then 3 is in subtraction with this third. So let me write it down separately now like this, that either v equals -3 8 twice of square root of 17, or v equals -3 take away twice of square root of 17. So it's a quadratic equation. We will be always getting 2 roots, and this is our solution. That's how you solve it.